Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It comes with great features you love: Ecotec 3 engine, Rancho shocks, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer hitch receiver, rear wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.